Chancery records are a powerful yet often overlooked resource in African American genealogy. These court documents, which primarily dealt with property disputes and estate settlements, often listed enslaved people as assets rather than individuals. But within these records lie crucial details about their identities, family relationships, and movements, offering a window into the past. How Chancery records relate to slavery. Chancery records are significant because they show how enslaved individuals were treated in legal disputes. These records tell us who enslaved people lived with, where they were forced to move, and sometimes even how they resisted enslavement through the courts. Information typically found in Chancery records. Full names and nicknames, often the only existing records of their identities. Ages and physical descriptions, height, scars, or distinguishing marks. Skills or occupations, example, blacksmith, cook, carpenter. Sales and transfers, names of buyers and destinations. Freedom papers or manumission agreements, proof of emancipation. Witness testimonies, descriptions of daily life, conditions, or events. Types of Chancery cases related to slavery. Estate settlements and probate cases. Partition suits, division of property. Debt and foreclosure cases. Manumission and freedom suits. Guardianship cases, orphans and minors. Disputes over wills and trusts. Post-emancipation compensation claims. Where to locate these records? Ancestry.com, search digitized court records. FamilySearch.org, free access to scanned legal documents. Library of Congress collections of historic court cases. National Archives original Chancery Court proceedings. Virginia Memory specialized records from Virginia's court system. Division of property in inheritance disputes. When an enslaver passed away, their estate, including enslaved people, was divided among heirs. This often meant forced separation for families, with children and spouses being sold to different owners. Chancery records document these heartbreaking divisions, sometimes providing the only record of enslaved family units. Debt settlements and foreclosures. Many enslaved people were used as financial assets. If an enslaver went into debt, enslaved individuals were often seized and sold to cover financial losses. Chancery cases document these transactions, providing clues about forced migrations and sales. Marriage and family ties. Although enslaved marriages were not legally recognized, some Chancery records reference them, especially in cases where enslaved individuals petitioned for family reunification. These records offer rare glimpses into the personal lives of those forced into bondage. Ownership transfers and migration patterns. Chancery records often list where enslaved people were moved or sold. These details can help reconstruct migration patterns, showing how families were displaced due to lawsuits and estate settlements. Legal battles over wills and trusts. Some enslaved individuals were promised freedom in their enslaver's will, but heirs frequently contested these promises. Chancery cases provide insight into these struggles for freedom, documenting the legal fights of those who sought justice.